Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do chicken and vegetable stir fry, a very simple meal. You can cook it under half an hour. So we have here in front of us the chicken, 800 gram chicken, and I have made the sauce already. I have inside here all mixed up 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce or kikkoman sauce, that's the brand we use, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sweet sauce. And we have here half a cup of water with 2 teaspoons of corn flour to make the corn flour water. And then we have all the cut up vegetable. We got 2 heads of broccoli, 1 carrot, 1 capsicum, and a can of the baby corn, and 1 onion sliced up, 4 cloves garlic, and about 1 inch of ginger cut up into 4 slices, and another quarter of water. So firstly, we're going to pour in all the sauce that we have mixed in together. Marinate this chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, and put some pepper in. So we're going to heat up the wok on high. When the wok is heated up, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Now heat up the wok with the sesame oil. We're going to add in the ginger and the onion. Now it's lightly brown. We're going to add in the chicken. Add in another quarter cup of water. Put the chicken. Let it cook. Now the chicken should be cooked, so just gonna lower the heat and we're gonna transfer the chicken up. Leave the chicken to set aside. So you heat up, turn the heat up to high again, and put about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Put in the garlic. I'm going to add in the just like garlic. Put a quarter cup of water. And let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So now broccoli is soft. After 5 minutes, we're going to add in the corn and the capsicum, also the chicken. Stir everything in. And the corn water with 2 teaspoons of corn and half cup of water. And stir it all in. Let it boil. So now it's cooked. And just taste if you need more salt or pepper. Nice. Put a bit of pepper in. So now it's cooked. We're going to serve now. So this is the chicken and stir fry veggie or cooked, so we can garnish it with some peanuts. So guys, that is tonight's chicken and veggie stir fry. Hope you enjoy it. You can actually add in other type of vegetable as well. If you like some mushroom and peas and whatever other vegetables. So enjoy, and please like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time.